In today's episode, Mitch asks, with the return of the Levelator, what is the best audio leveling solution for podcasting? Well, for those who are unfamiliar, the Levelator is a piece of software that promises sort of one-click cleanup of audio to ready it for podcasting. There are other solutions. The Levelator stopped working for a while because of various operating system updates and the fact that the software vendor basically has moved on to other things. But there are still folks who are committed to maintaining it, and they do. And so other tools like Auphonic, for example, do similar tasks, but the Levelator is free. And obviously, for those who own it, tools like Adobe Audition can bring a lot of extra polish, but not really the one-click solution. So what we wanted to look at today is, how do these things sound? So let's go ahead and flip things over here, and we're going to put these audio tracks in. So let's start with this first here. Let's go ahead and play this. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. So that was this microphone as the first one. The V-Moda Boom headset is the second one. The Apple AirPods Pro is the third one. And then just the onboard laptop sound. I wanted to do that because I wanted to have it for different types of audio sources to see how each one sounds. Now, with the tool I'm using for video, Camtasia, it does have a built-in leveler. So let's look at that one first. You can see there's already a bit of a difference. The spectrogram here is a little more dense, a little more colorful. Let's go ahead and listen to this. This is Camtasia. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. Okay, so that was Camtasia. Good, right? Not great yet, but okay, not too bad. Let's now listen to Auphonic, which is one of the more popular tools out there. Hang on for a second here. There we go. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. You can see in the spectrogram that the colors there are brighter and more intense. If I click back to the original, you can see there's definitely a big difference, right? There's a much bigger difference than you see with Camtasia, right? Auphonic brings a lot more vocal oomph, and it's at the right volume level for podcasts, which is a target loudness of -16 LUFS, which you can see down here in the corner. Now, let's go ahead and look at the Levelator. And here we go. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dogs. Again, very similar sound to Auphonic, right? There is a qualitative difference between this one here. You can see there's less of the purple fringing here in Auphonic. There's a bit more of that in what the Levelator pulled together. So Auphonic seems to have a little bit better noise reduction, but when you look at the sort of the colorful sections here, the Levelator is seems to be doing a better job of enriching some of the tones. Now, which should you use? Well, if you can run the Levelator on your machine, if you have a Mac and you've gotten it out of the App Store, and I believe it's still available for Windows, and you've got a single audio file that you're trying to work with, it's kind of hard to argue with this. I mean, it's free. It's not as good at things like the noise reduction as Auphonic, but it also is free, right? And it's still better than, say, Camtasia's built-in leveler, which is not great, and all of it is better than what you get when you just have the raw audio file by itself. So, conclusions: if you've already bought Auphonic, keep using it, right? Why wouldn't you keep using the thing that you paid for? If you have not bought it, look at the Levelator. It's free and it does a really good job. The other levelers and tools that are available, like if you wanted to do something in Audition, you could. There's certainly ways to do all of what these tools do as a set of neat tricks if you want a very distinctive sound. But honestly, for a lot of people, that's a heck of a lot of work and it adds a lot of production time, whereas dragging and dropping a file onto another app really definitely is the way to go. So, in conclusion, should you use one of these tools or others? It depends on what you've got and what you've already bought. I would say that in terms of what they output, Auphonic and the Levelator put out very close quality, and their quality is both better than not doing it at all. So pick whichever one works for you and do that. So good question, Mitch. If you have follow-up questions, leave them in the comments box below. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and the newsletter. I'll talk to you soon. Want help solving your company's data analytics and digital marketing problems? Visit trustinsights.ai today and let us know how we can help you.